Just apply toothpaste on your car's mirror, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. You've probably had trouble with this before. When you're driving and it starts to rain, this is how your car's mirror gets, all covered in excess water, those droplets. See how it turns out? This can greatly affect your visibility, making it pretty dangerous to drive. And if you need to make any maneuvers, it can be even more challenging. However, I've found a very simple solution, and all you're gonna need is a little toothpaste. This is a very simple tip, but I'm sure it's gonna be very handy. So first, I'm gonna put a tape on the car's mirror, because I'm gonna apply it only on one side to show you the difference. Now just take a little bit of toothpaste. Here I'm using this one, but feel free to use whatever you may have at home. Go ahead and apply just a little. You don't need much here. Put it on your finger and spread it all over the glass, just like that. But keep in mind, I'm applying it only on the right side. So after applying the toothpaste, I'll wait for 5 minutes. Once the time is up, now just take a dry rag and remove all the excess. However, there will still be a very thin layer of toothpaste left, which is exactly what we need. This will create a protective film. So go ahead and remove all the excess. And also, you don't need to rinse it off. We've already removed the excess toothpaste. So now let's do the test. First, I'll spray some water where we didn't apply the toothpaste. And look at this. It keeps accumulating water droplets. Now where we applied the toothpaste, check this out, everyone. See the difference here? See how it repels all the water and doesn't let these droplets accumulate? It basically doesn't hinder visibility at all. So that was today's tip. A quite simple tip that is definitely gonna help you a lot while driving.